flash floods devastating much of central Texas, recent death tolls have counted up to 120 dead. Early on, many reported they didn't receive proper warning about the flood dangers. With flash flooding as a problem here in the southern tier, preparation is always key.
You look at Tropical Storm Fred, Tropical Storm Debbie, if we got 12 to 15 inches of rain, that's just going to wipe us out. I mean, that's going to be really, really devastating. So we need to be prepared. And preparedness is really the big step right here.
You can also download the Ready Steuben app or the Chemung Emergency Alert app on your phone to stay up to date with severe weather and other warnings. Dante Brown, Big Fox News, Southern Tier.